Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet R. R is for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. R is for raccoon. R-A-C-C-O-N. Raccoon. R is for rhinoceros. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Rhinoceros. R is for robin. R-O-B-I-N. Robin. R is for reindeer. R-E-I-N-D-E-E-R. Reindeer. R is for red panda. R-E-D-P-A-N-D-A. Red panda. R is for rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. R is for ray. R-A-Y. Ray. R is for rattlesnake. R-A-T-T-L-E-S-N-A-K-E. Rattlesnake. R is for rat. R-A-T. Rat.